Good morning, esteemed guests, dear parents, dedicated teachers, and wonderful little stars. On behalf of Seven Arts International School, I, Ms. Mansi Adia, Admission and Public Relations Coordinator, take the privilege to extend a hearty welcome to all of you. Welcome to the much-awaited 7th Inter-School Pre-Primary Talent Show. Today is a day of joy, creativity, and celebration as we witness boundless enthusiasm and talents of our young learners. Before we begin, let us take a moment to invoke divine blessings. Let me now invite your principal sir to light the holy lamp which symbolizes the illumination of knowledge and wisdom. I request Ms. Sita and Ami also to join. Now let us take everyone to rise for a prayer and national anthem. Mr. V.P. Prabhu spearheads all our functions. He is the source of inspiration for all of us. Let us all welcome sir with a huge round of applause. I also welcome today's judges, Ms. Ami Kumbat, Ms. Sita Iyer, Ms. Neha Raval, and Mr. Shrutik Gaikwad. They are well-experienced teachers and we are glad that they are a part of today's event. I welcome all the preschool teachers or heads present here. Some of them will be joining us soon. All the teaching and non-teaching staff members of Seven Isles have worked as a team to organize this function. I welcome them all. When schools come together, we create not just events but experiences that shape young minds. I welcome all the students and parents of participating schools. It's good to see you all participating in large numbers. Today, we'll be having around 90 participants in all from 9 preschools. It's my pleasure to announce the names of the participating schools. From Mulund West, we have Modern Nursery, Coco Kids and Kids Corner, Mulund East, Smart Kids, Little Angels, Panduk, Podar Prep, Hello Kids, Little Petals, Nahum, Little Moppets, and Kanjurma, Hero Kids, Runwal Forest. Welcome all the participating schools. For many of our students, especially our little playgroup students, this must be the very first inter-school competition. This is a big and brave moment for all of them. Standing on a new stage, seeing new faces and participating alongside children from other schools is a wonderful milestone. Let us encourage them with warm smiles and loud applause because today they are not just competing, they are growing. Today as we watch our little performers dance, sing, act and mesmerize us with their talents, remember that every effort, big or small, is a victory. Let's cheer them on with all our heart and make this a memorable experience for them. And to our dear parents, I would like to share a small rhyme. Cheer for the effort, not just the prize. See the courage shining in the eyes. Clap for the step, however small. For today they rise, tomorrow they soar high. Once again, a warm welcome to all. Let's enjoy this spectacular morning filled with joy, creativity and inspiration. Now I invite our senior KG Tulip students to present a welcome song.
Give me a song to sing. प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणा
Special thank you to all the participating schools and students for your wonderful performance and enthusiasm. Thank you to the audience for your support and encouragement. Have a great day. Thank you.
Performance. Now we'll have the performance by Jinansh Jain, who will be doing skating with music. Jinansh. Music.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Ms. Bhavya, will be the host for the Junior KG competition.
Come on, Anwar, start.
I would sincerely thank our principal, teachers, judges, and organizing team for making this event possible.
To see our little stars confidently ready to showcase their talents on the stage.
I just take my little brother to his drive. It made me feel supercalifragilistic, expialidocious. Have you ever had someone before? She was so happy. I think helping others is really fun. It makes people smile. That's so nice, Ina. I had my grandma with her groceries. She was so thankful. I love it. It's right. I think something important. Yes, see, I think helping others is the best thing you can do. When we are kind and people, they feel happy and we feel happy too. It's like magic. You're right, Krisha. Kindness acts like a magic power, spreading to everyone around us. When we help someone, it inspires them to help others too. Yes, it's like being full of kindness. The more we give, the more kindness comes back to us. I remember once I had my friend who tried his food when he couldn't wait. He gave me the biggest story. I love that he took my I had my teacher clean up after art class and she smiled and said, "Thank you, Tisha, you are a big help." It made me feel proud. See, we all have little ways we can help and be kind every day. And the kindness doesn't cost anything. It's free and makes the world better. So true it there. Kindness is the best gift we can give to everyone. Be kind every day in our words and work and play. Helping friends and sharing too. Kindness brings us lots of joy. Be kind, big and small. Love and care are for us all. Kindness is superpower. The more we share it, the more it grows and spread to others. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference.
Thank you.
First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal sir for the constant support, encouragement and visionary leadership. Sir, your guidance inspires us to create meaningful showcase their talents and confidence. Thank you, sir.
You have trained the kids, the teachers have put a lot of effort, parents I'm sure you would have put a lot of effort. So I think you all deserve a big round of applause first. See, we give a lot of confidence to the kids. We motivate them. We try to uplift them every time. So keep doing it. Do not lose hope, even if there is no prize today. So they have learned something today here. They were able to face this crowd here. So that's a confidence that they need to build day by day. So small steps taken, you can reach Himalayan heights. I'm sure you all will have that confidence. And you do not compare kids at all. Even at home, in the same family, you do not compare kids. Everybody is identical. They have got a unique nature. So you have to see what the best thing that you can bring out of a child. And try to imbibe our Indian values in the families when you bring up children. Teach them good habits.
For 7R School for giving this beautiful platform to all the young minds. A big round of applause for the parents and everybody around here. At least we can see the talent our child has hidden in us, and I hope the school will be organizing such beautiful events again in future. Thank you.
School for giving this platform and every year conducting this inter-school competition. This is improving our child's confidence and to talk in front of so much of people, and even the staff is very polite with us. And I would like to thank my school Coco Kids also, so always giving a right opportunity and guidance to perform. And thank you for this opportunity. This is my child's third performance in 7L School, still playgroup. And thank you so much for this amazing experience.
Thank you.
Upadhyay. I'm from Hylakis Little Battle Preschool. I'm a nursery teacher. I would like to say thank you for giving our child this opportunity, giving them platform. Thank you so much, and it was a wonderful event. Thank you.
Come here and attend this function because it's a very much pleasure announcement. Encourages every time she encourages to make a participate, send your kids to participate in our school, and from last 2 years we are participating in this school event, and thank you that our kids did also together one it's in the first prize. I'm founder of Hylakis Little Battles, and I'm very happy to come here and attending the function. Thank you very much, Hansana, and thank you so much, Prabhu sir, to always encourage us to take a participate, and we are sending our kids to inter-school competition in very small age. It's a very huge platform by our kids also. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My students are coming here and participating. Prize is not a very big thing. We can get in future also, but participation is important here. And you have given us the opportunity. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we are enjoying. Our kids are enjoying here. Thank you so much.
And we even win. The platform that you give is not only for winning. It is a confidence that you build in our kids. And thank you so much for inviting us. And future also we expect every time you invite it, and we will bringing our kids on this platform every time. And we hope our parents, this school is very good. The infrastructure, the way of education is really very good. And those parents who have come here, I want them to take admissions in this school. Thank you, Mansi, and thank you, Prabhu sir.